The last bottles of soap you'll ever need. Yes, so I can already smell lemongrass essential oil. That's an amazing clean smell. So this is a glass bottle of some cleansing soap. And this is another one which will go into the other room. I believe these are the same size. Yeah, well the one looks a little bigger. This one is a spray cleanser. And then over here we have these dryer balls for the dryer. They're organic. And then this little funnel is to refill the bottles so that there's less waste and you can refill these. And it'll come right to your door when it's time. And then of course we have the lemongrass bar soap. And it only has these 4 ingredients: saponified coconut oil, sodium chloride, sodium gluconate, and lemongrass oil. That smells amazing. So of course, don't forget to recycle this box. So yeah, check it out for yourself. If you want to keep your house clean and germ-free, this is the subscription box for you. You're going to get the refills that go into these bottles.